Now we're going to film a bit while I'm doing breakfast. So this is my setup. Got the bed on the right. There's my down comforter back there. I just stuffed it in. So this is kind of where it goes. I got the water here. I have my electronics bin under there. My little folding solar panels and stuff. Probably not the best place for electronics, but I think I'm going to switch it up for other stuff. I got my collapsible sink on the side. Got my garbage that hangs there. And then my paper towels actually just pop on there. Then the table all folds in, all goes away that way. And then I got my food storage bin on the side. I like the bin because I can just take it inside the kitchen, fill it all up with all my stuff, and then it just slides in there. I got the lid. I usually don't bring the lid, but then I've got my little shade canopy there, and my chair. Actually, this is a kid's chair, but it is way more comfortable than the adult, and it just fits right on the side there. It's 30 inches deep, so it goes all the way into the end. Okay, got my oatmeal going, so we'll go around to the side. And I just close towels in the door to block everything out. You get the window mesh things, they go over, then you can kind of keep your windows cracked without any bugs getting in. So here's the platform itself. Got my dirty shoes down there. So I put my shovel, my little pump. I've got a tire repair kit and all that, but I got the platform. It's sitting a little high for some reason right now, but that's fine. So there's the platform, and it's hinged right there. So that whole thing folds back, the mattress folds back. Maybe I'll fold it back and I'll show you real quick. So this, you just fold this, hang on, back. Now you can see this. If the seat's all the way forward, you have plenty of room. But this just folds back, just like that. And then your seat can go all the way back. And then the pole, I just stash the pole back under here. And that's that. And then the mattress, I just fold it up under itself. I can't here. So, like, so that just rests there. And then the seat goes back. Wow, this is shaky, my bad. But then the seat goes all the way back for normal driving. I stick my cooler up there when I'm sleeping. So, got another little garbage bag, everything. Towel in the other window, shade up. No one can see anything in. Unless I got the lights on. I've got tinted windows, but unless I've got lights on the inside. So, yeah, that's the whole thing in a nutshell. It's all closed up. But then the other side, I do have another platform that connects to the end of this box. As you can see, there's the holes for the bolts that go in. There's another platform, so it does make a full-size bed. And then I've got another one that clicks there. But I usually just do solo camping. I've actually yet to use it with anybody else. I like just going up by myself. So anyway, but it's perfect. I hang my little battery fan. I've got my little travel cubes. They go in my duffel bag. That's all my clothes and stuff. And then I've always got a hiking backpack. And then down there I've always got my jacket bag, which has rain gear and insulated layers. And then I've got the special, I haven't used this yet, but it's just I've got like the little toilet seat and stuff that goes on top of it to do number 2 when you need to. So I've got everything set up to kind of just be totally on my own, which is a lot of fun. I did pick up these sliders at a industrial warehouse place for $2 each, but they don't lock out. So I do need to add a lockout to them. Otherwise, I just shove a towel in there so it doesn't hit my back door. So yeah, that's it. Solo camper. This is just enough room right underneath here, underneath there, to slide a Nalgene bottle in. And then, as you can see, I was gonna cut this out and weld a ring there, but it actually works just fine just to set it there. So I buckle that down, and then I also have a strap in the back that is on each anchor point, because the back of the CX-5 have anchors. I replaced the plastic ones with metal. So yeah, that's it. That's the whole camper. So hope you enjoyed.